my name is Gwen, and I'm so glad to see you. How are you and your families? I hope you all stay safe and healthy. Talking about being healthy, have you had your breakfast? Yes? No? Well, breakfast is important for us. And of course, you need to have healthy food for your breakfast. Besides healthy food, you also need to have healthy eating habits, or else this is what might happen to you. What happened to them? That can't be happening. Their hands are full of dirty germs.
One, two, three, go! Dirty, dirty germs, filthy, filthy germs. We are super germs. Super germs, dirty, dirty, boom, boom. Super germs, we love dirty things. Super germs, never miss the chances. Super germs, time to work. When you don't brush your teeth after eating candy. Germs, oh, germs, oh yeah. When you don't wash your hands after pee-pee poo-poo. Germs, oh, germs, oh yeah. Super germs, dirty, dirty, boom, boom. Super germs, we love dirty things. Super germs, never miss the chances. Super germs, time to work. Oh yeah. Germs, oh yeah. Germs, oh, germs. Oh wait, no!
There are germs and bacteria everywhere, and they can make you sick if they go inside your body. So, wash your hand before you eat. And don't forget to give gratitude for the food that you have.
And friends, now I wonder what happens with our food that we eat. How does our body process the food? Do you want to know more about that? Let's find out.
Chop, chop, gulp, gulp, churn, churn, gurgle. Chop, chop, gulp, gulp, churn, churn, gurgle. Oh yeah!
Hi, my name is Kana. I'm from year 3C. Today I'm gonna tell you about digestive system. Mouth is the first studio of digestive system. Now I'm gonna eat this fruit. It's healthy. Mmm. It's yummy.
What happens? What happens? In my mouth? Chomp, crush the food. Chomp, 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 chomp in my mouth.
Digestion process is a long journey. As you can see, we start the process from our mouth. We chew the food to smaller pieces with our teeth. You cannot chew quickly. Experts say you need to chew 32 times, but it will just go naturally. You don't need to count it.
Apart from the teeth, we also have a tongue. The tongue helps you move the food into your mouth. And after you chew the food well, it helps you push the chewed grub back to your throat. Oh yeah, and don't forget the saliva. It's the liquid transparent thing inside your mouth. It helps you taste food. Now you know why your food tastes sweet, sour, spicy, and salty.
What happens? What happens? In my mouth? Esophagus. Gulp, swallow the food. Gulp, 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 gulp in my esophagus.
From the mouth, your chewed grub will enter the food pipe. It has an interesting name called the esophagus. Most of you know this as the throat, but this isn't exactly the throat. The food pipe or esophagus is a pathway for your food to enter the stomach. How does the food pipe work, Maya?
Well, the food doesn't just go straight down to the stomach. It goes down slowly because there are squeezing motions like this. Squeeze. In the food pipe, that squeezes and pushes down the food straight down to the stomach. After that, the food goes straight down to the stomach.
What happens? What happens? In my stomach. Churn, mash up the food. Churn in my stomach.
The next stop on our journey is the stomach or the tummy. The food you've eaten will mix with the stomach juice. Stomach acid and enzymes. The chewed food is broken down into even smaller and soft goo, almost like a liquid.
Hello, my name is Alfcar. Hello friends, I want to show you what the digestive system is all about. Ta-da! Now, I want to show you something it's all about in our stomach. It's quite fun. There's also a fun fact about our tummy. Do you know that the food you have eaten have bacteria and germs? They can get you sick or stomach ache. But the stomach acid kills the bacteria and germs, so you don't get sick. Besides, the muscle in our tummy squeeze the food we have eaten and move it up and down. When it's done, the food will go to the next stop.
What happens? What happens? In my intestines. Gurgle, push the food. Gurgle in my intestine.
The next stop after stomach is small intestine. The small intestine will take all the vitamins, proteins, and nutrients from your food and send them to the blood. Then the blood will send the nutrients to your body and make you grow and healthy. And you know what? Our small intestine is so long. It's 6.5 meters long, like the size of your classroom. Can you imagine that, guys?
Wow, unbelievable. Do you know something, Sabira and you guys? After our small intestine takes out the important nutrients, there will be the leftover. The leftover is big enough in size.
Well, it's not as big as a car, but these big pieces of leftover will go to the large intestine. The large intestine will dry up the leftover. Then this leftover goes out of our body through your anus as poop. That's why you go to the toilet to poo.
Chomp, chomp, gulp, gulp, churn, churn, gurgle.
Fantastic! The long journey of digestion is now complete. Why do I call it a long journey? Well, because it takes hours to digest our food, starting from chewing our food until we let the leftover go to the toilet. But speaking of which, we need to be healthy. How can we make our body and our digestive system healthy?
Thanks for the meal.
Every day we have to eat fruits and vegetables. Now I am eating apple. Apple contains high vitamin C and fiber and mineral to boost our immune system to keep us healthy. When you chew an apple, it goes to your digestive system, to your esophagus, to small intestine, and big intestine. Eat healthy foods to keep our body healthy.
Yummy! Oh yeah, did you know if grapes have vitamin C and E, and calcium and iron, and also magnesium? And the health benefit is protect against cancer and eye problems and other health conditions. Hi guys, my name is Shamika. Today I will explain about orange fruit. Okay, the benefits of orange for our bodies are to fertility, digestion, and can prevent cancer. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Yummy! Broccoli is a rich source of multiple vitamins. That is what makes you feel healthy.
Hi guys, today I'm Fiona and I like strawberries because it's yummy and it's sweet. It's good for your health and it's nice. Okay, it's nice. It's good.
Don't be picky, no, no. Let's have a healthy meal. Don't be whiny, no, no. Let's have a tasty meal. Broccoli, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and black beans. Have a seat and eat well. Let's have a healthy meal. Okay. Chomp, 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 chomp. Eat them all. Don't be picky, no, no. Let's have a healthy meal. Don't be whiny, no, no. Let's have a tasty meal. Green spinach, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and celery. Eating healthy makes me strong. Let's have a tasty meal. Okay. Yum, 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 eat it too. Yum, 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 healthy meal. Yum, 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 eat it too. Let's have a healthy
It's
meal.
yummy.
Yum, yum.
Please eat healthy, digest healthy, and live healthy. Bye bye. Hello friends. Don't forget to drink water every day. Because if we drink water every day, our body will be healthy.
It is true, Kiana. We need to drink 8 glasses of water per day. Have you drank today?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from us. I'm Gwen and my Year 3C fellows signing out. See you soon.